Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Efforts for analyzing the commodities for Forex as well as Bitcoin US30 using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. So read carefully. This channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment. And I'm not asking any investments, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to the trade plans explaining here. This is just an idea and my view. So don't bias on this and don't take the trade according to this plan. Took it this as a reference and it took the trade according to your analysis. So this is our watch list, regularly what we are doing every week. So starts from GXY. So as I said, I think it's already reversed in this zone. So this is my positional view count. I have showed you several times, and now it is in that this trend line, the median trend line, it taking the support. So this is my view from here. I am explaining. So this I took it this as an expanded flat for the X wave, and we need to travel for that Z wave. So and in that this is the A, and B for me I took it this as an expanded triangle. So in that A, B, C, D and E is the very bigger one because of this expanding triangle. And if we get through that in that 4 hours, so this is A, B and C. So this is a W. Connecting way of X is a triangle, A, B and C. And again this is the connecting wave. After that this is becomes a diagonal triangle pattern in the Z wave. So that means each wave got ABC for that 5 waves. Otherwise it could be A, B and C as a 5 waves. So here this is a B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2, A, B and C, W, X, Y is there. So this is extended. Third wave is always extended. So that is why I have mentioned this as a third, and here A, B, C as a fourth, and here A, B and C as a fifth is completed here in this zone. Otherwise if we simply took it this as a B, C as A, this is a B, C this is a 1 and 2, so 3 is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is a one more fourth wave and then again fifth wave. So we can label it as anything. For me it looks like I thought could be one more wave to that ABC, because if this fourth wave is the fourth wave, there is a lot of chances for making a one more to the downside is also possible. And the UCAD also I said like that. So anyway, it is the final wave, whether it is going to, because in that weekly candle and the daily candle looks very bullish. The first sign is this is the one is an inverted hammer. After that again the 5-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this got completed. So doji, perfect bullish candle, and the next day is also a bullish candle. And if we took in that weekly candle, so weekly is also a bullish hammer. So this is the inverted and this is the regular hammer for the bullish side. So this could be here, it is C here, this is A, B, C. So here A, B, C, yeah, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it's very simple. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's looking like very simple, but from here itself I'm looking for that bullish scenario, but it keep on extended, and from here it has to do that, and again this is the connecting wave, and again A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's got extended. So may or may not, it's looking like it's already reversed for me, and it's a perfect 5 ways is already completed here. 1, 2, 3. Whether I'll show you in that 15 minutes. In past, what I think here, I just place like this. So this could be a triangle A, B, C, D and E. So this could be a triangle, and the fifth way is already got ended. But after that, this is the 5-way structure, and again it did a one impulsive structure. So this is the end of the 4th way here. So here ABC is a A, the whole thing becomes a B, and A, B and C. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So now it's also the perfect channel here, and after that is a 1, 2, 3 is a ABC correction is got over, and again here one more ABC is did. So I think on Monday it will go like this, and then again it may drop. So this could be an irregular flat of 2, and then it has to go above the bullish scenario. So this is my idea in GXY. So this is 1, 2, 3. So I took it this as a 4, or it could be a triangle also, but this is not yeah, good sign to make it as a triangle. So I take it this as a 4th. So here A, and again something it's happened here is a B, whether it could be here. So here it's a little bit difficult to wave count here. So whether this is a B, C, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. So this could be a B, C 4 and ABC is a 5. So it seems like it's ended, and the candlestick is also, but the wedge formation and the first wedge is already broken, and there is a one more channel. This channel has to break again, and this channel also. See, it is exactly, it rejections there. So let's see on Monday, and this week what I said, this week we will come to know. So this is the one first sign for the bullish. So let's move on to Euro USD. Same thing, how I confused in the DXY, it's a little bit clear idea here. So I will explain this. There is a 1, 2, ABC is a 4, ABC is a W, X, ABC is a 3rd, and here is a 4th, and A, B and C is the 5th wave. If you watched in that 1 hour, you come to know here is a 3rd. So ABC is a A, and here is a ABC is a B, and here A whole thing is a B, and this is the C. So A, B and C is completed for the 4th, and here also is the impulsive wave A, and here is the impulsive, and this is the correction, and this is the impulsive. So this is the A and B and C. So here it is clearly seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5-way structure is clearly, and after that it's an aggressive fall. After that it's a zigzag correction, and again it fall. So here it's looking like 1 2 3, and 4 is a triangle, and fifth. So I will show you in the 15 minutes. This is a 5-way structure. After that is a 3-way structure, and this is the one aggressive movement to the downside. So this is a triangle clearly seen, and after that it's a breakdown. And yesterday the NFP it went high. What I thought as previous, I took it as like this, the wedge formation. And now that same thing where it get rejected, I just clone this and paste it here. That's it. So now we may get a little bit 3-way structures like that and skip coming to the downside. So here's a 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2. So this is the 3, and this is a B C B, A B C C C. So it's something here. It has already, it's a B C is a B on C. So this could be a fourth, but fifth wave is not looking like a 5-way structure. So it may happen one more low, and then again a 3-way structure to the upper side. And this channel is already retested 2 times nearest to that. So this is acceptance, this as a resistance zone, and again it came back. So let's see. And GBP USD also, it's a very easy analysis looking, and I changed this wave count. Previous it was as a W X here as an irregular flat, and then ABC what I did, but it's simply seen it's a 5-way structure. So I don't want to ABC like that. It's a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Here is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this whole thing is becomes A. So B is a triangle, and C is got a 5-way structure. So after this zigzag correction of A, B is a triangle and another 5. This is the W, the connecting wave, and this is the X, is a 3-way structure. And this is also a zigzag correction of X. And here that Y way is a diagonal triangle pattern, and I will explain you in the one more way the previous of fractals. So here ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC as a 3, or if it is extended it could be a W. We need to make it as a W. X, the 5-way structure, again the 3-way structure, again 1 2 3 4 5. So this is a W, means this is the X, A B C. So this 3, if it is extended it will come to like this, and again the 4th wave has to happen. That is why last week I have explained. So 4th, after that one more ABC to the 5th way is also possible. Else if it is the 3rd way is already completed in the regular correction, so here is the end and it has to come down from here. But the previous, I will show you one thing. You just need to understand. Here I will just hide all those things. So this wave has to happen here, because my positional view count is, this is the, I will show you in the one more positional wave count. So this is my positional view. So simply it is A, B and C is the flat correction. So ABC is a ABC is a B, C. So the whole thing becomes A, B and C. Yes. So this is a C, is a bigger one. So here A, B and C. So we are in that C wave wedge formation. Here is a 1, 2, 3. So here each wave got a ABC, means here it looks like whether if we keep this as a B and one more C wave is a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, here is A, B and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 3, here is ABC is a 4, means A, B and C is a 5. But here it's looked like it's not ABC, it's a W, X, ABC. So whether this could be end of the, if it is a fourth wave here, it has to end here, but I'm not so satisfied with that count. I bias on one more way to the downside because this is A, this is the B, C has to break this low. So either if it is the bigger A, this is the W means, so we need a X wave. So either it has to complete to break this low at least. So first of all, if it breaks this, and then it could be a bullish also in different way. Otherwise, it has to break this. If it is a B, C, A, this is the B. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sometimes the fourth is a crucial one. So I'm just to play it for that fourth has a here. I'm not looking here is the end. So this is the end of the third, and here is the one more thing I will explain you in the daily chart. I will just the bar pattern. I cut this. I just explaining you here, right? So here is a A. So here is a A. So B is a triangle. Here also a triangle. Okay, I will show you in the what I had already did, because you didn't know about that. This is the bar pattern. I will cut from here to the till the end. Yeah, just I bring back here. Okay, I'll delete this. I will remove this. Right, see this is the A, so here also A. So this is the B is a triangle, here also a triangle. Just listen to here, A, it's a so B is a triangle, B is a triangle. So C is an impulsive, and here is also an impulsive. So this is the over. So this is a W. After that is a X is a triangle. Here the B is a triangle. Here in this zone. So B just finished this triangle. After that, this is the impulsive wave. Here this impulsive wave is completed, and this is the B is a triangle. Here also a triangle. After that, it's completed the high, right? It's already broken the high, and this is also already broken the high. So after that, this is the part I explained you. This part has to happen one more way to the upper side. So here I just kept this. So A, B is a triangle, and here it's a impulsive way. So here the whole thing is a, after that triangle, this is the whole thing is a impulsive, it's already did, and here is a triangle, and here is also a triangle. After that, it already broken the high, and it's already broken the high. So here I need one more way to the like this, and after that it already broken the high, so it has to break the high. So this is my view in the previous fractals. That is why I just analyze all the deep and what the history it's already did, that same thing only it happened. So that is why I have changed my count. In previous I did as a ABC as a W, and here is a irregular flat X ABC, and here also WXY. So it's everything it's same, but I don't want to get you and me as a more complicated. So anyway, here is a W, X, and we need a Y. So that same here, what will be the time taken from here to here? 394 bars. Here to here, maximum it's 225 bars it is coming. So this is 555 days and this is 390 days. So nearly it's around, from that it's 78.6, maybe the fib retracement level of what we called it as. From here to here, and here it's, yeah, exactly one I needed, that Y wave to complete. So whether it is going to maybe another three-way down and then that also happen. So in that case, if it breaks this also, that will be an expanded flat, and again it has to come down because that lot of fundamentals is going on the Brexit. So it's all depends on the news. So how it's keep on that AUD and the New Zealand dollar, I expected up to Y wave and it did the Z wave also. So like that, if it is the Brexit happens and it is a very strong for that UK, so it will continue up to Z, but maximum this is an correction wave only. One more impulsive is downside ahead to break that. First of all, first it has to break this in a three-way structure, and the next thing it has to break that previous low I showed you. This is my historic chart and I have already did an analysis and I have already shared that also in YouTube. So you just go for that, only that analysis for that historic from 1971 to 2020 I already posted in the December. So in that I have explained all that positional views only. So first of all, if it is A, so we are in the B, whether the B is completed here or it is going to complete as a C wave. So in that case, if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it has to break this. But if the B wave is so complicated, just I will explain you. This is a A, this is the B, and this is the C, and here it's a 5-wave corrective structure. So we will, if it closed here below this, not if it break this, it can go again one more 3-way structure to the high, and then again it may drop also. So in that case, this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C. So this A, this is the B, and C has to fall. Or else it could make a triangle also, and then again it may fall. So lot of ideas is there, but the only one thing we need to know is it has to break this drop to valid anything. So let's move on to Australian dollar. So in Australian dollar also, it's showing it's completed that 5-way structure here. So here again I will show you that because it's going to end of the trend. Here in passive ABC as a W, X is a triangle followed by a Y by ABC. So this is another W. For this is a W and the X is a triangle and Y is completed, and again the connecting wave. From here I expected to the downside, but what happened? It's extended for that Z wave also. So this is a 3-way structure as a X, and it didn't break this low, so that is still valid. After that, this is the ABC, is a diagonal triangle wave. So here it's a little bit confusion for me because it's all three waves. So A, B, C as a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, and again A here, B and C it's completed here, or this could be 1 2 3 4 5 A. So this is the B, the whole thing becomes C because this wave and this wavelength is equal. So in the, that is why I have placed here. So it can be anything. So A, B, C as a third. So here A, B, C as a fourth. A, B, C as a fifth wave is got completed. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here also the 5-way structure. Here also a 5-way structure. So whether if we place this as a B, it's little bit complicated and one more way we needed, but already the correction started here. Whether this is an impulsive wave, so don't just I have placed labeled this, but don't look for those things. So whether it is already completed, from here it has to come down, or if it is W, X, A, B, C means if it is the third wave, so one more wave for the fourth and again one more for the fifth is also possible for up to 7, 9 also. In that case, it has to come like this in the 3-way structure. So this is the end of the third, this is the end of the fourth, and it could be travel like this. But if it is all happen only the DXY has a one more low, but it seems like there is no room to go to the downside, I think so. So I'm not biased on that also. So let's see how it moves. First of all, it has to break this channel and it has to break, and again it has to retest, and again it may fall. So there is a lot of work it has to do here, then only we come to know whether it is already reversed or not. And as of now, this is not, it's looking like because lot of here, see, every time it is showing that bearish, but whether it is one more high is also possible and then again down, or it can be in the downside from here also. So same thing in New Zealand USD also. And I need to show you one simple, yeah, because I had did a lot of WX, WXY, WX, right? So a lot of people's it's not understanding this WXY pattern. So for that I will show you that one more count in the another platform. From here I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You just keep this as mind. This is A. So this is the 5-way structure, and after that this is the A, this is the B, this is the C. So this is the B, and here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is completed. So what we have to do is 5, 3 and 5. So this is A. After that, this is a, I took it this as a triangle. So here is the B. One second. Yeah, here is the B and C. But see, sometimes A, B, C, we have to make it this as a, because this is a continuation, right? So once that A, B, C, B need to, if it is a flat correction only, we need to mark it as A. Here we need to mark it as, because this is a continuation trend, so W, and this is the X as a triangle, and this is a 5-way structure as a A, This is the B in three-way structure, and again we are in that C, the five-way structure. So here it's a A, here is a B, and here is the Y. So W, X, A, B, C as a Y is completed. So if it is anything fundamental, it can continue again the three-way structure, and again it can go high also. But I correlated to all those things for the DXY, New Zealand dollar, everything, and then I had. So you have to understand this. Previous, I also did the same thing. I will put A, B, C is a A, so B and the C is a 1, like that, and again what it will do, A, B, C means again I will place as a W, X, and again I will wait for the A, B and C, but what will happen market, it will fall from here also. I will took buy here for that expecting that C wave. If we wrongly place this as a W, X, A, B, and we are waiting for the C wave, and it will market will go from here itself. So in the zigzag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is A, and again three-way structure, it's a B, and again five-way structure as a W. We don't want to play it, and we don't want to label it as a W. So we no need to, sorry, we need to mark it as a A only, not, sorry, a lot of confusing. I also confused a lot of you, so sorry for that. See, in this zigzag, this is A, B, C, and whether it is a connecting wave, so further it has to be decline. So here it is a W, X, A, B and C. But if it is a three-way structure, we marked it as a A, then this is the B, and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the flat correction. So here it is happening a continuation. So this is called as a double zigzag. This is a W. So this is a X, A, B and C. So this is also a five-way structure. So this is called as a double zigzag, the correction. That is why we didn't get a lot of, if it is a, see, this is a, once the ABC is over, right, it's a W. So the X could be anything. It could be again deeper also. But if it is a double zigzag, that is why that it's a retracement is very, very small. So I think you understand. And in between I have confused, so sorry for that. You just replay that and then again watch. So if it is a five-way structure and again three-way structure, and again if we see the five-way structure, we need to label it as a W only, not A. Only if it is three-way structure, and again three-way structure, if it is comes in the five-way, that is as a flat, and we need to make it as a, here is a ABCA, ABCB and C is a W. So I think I have already explained in my educational series. So you just go through all those things, and I am getting ready for that next load to upload that part 5 as a flat corrections. You can come to know, and previous I did a zigzag correction, so I have already shared that. And the next tomorrow I am going to upload that for the flat corrections. So up to 10 videos is there, 10 part. So go through that, and everything you can understand in the live chart. It's not looking like a, what I'm saying here. I have explained everything. So this is an perfect zigzag here. So if it is a diagonal, we need to make it as a Y, and this is a X, and again this is a diagonal. So that is what I have made it as a Z. But simply you need to understand this. That's it. So let's move on to, it's very interesting. If you are looking for that, I will show you the Bitcoin analysis also. I have shorted at 39,200, and I have placed at 40,300 and 200 for the stop loss, and again it getting I put it into the 1 minute and 5 minutes and just looking for those things, and the fifth way got extended. Immediately I remove the stop loss, and from that exactly at 40,300 within 500 I have announced that perfectly it is getting rejected, and nearly 5,000 points down came down, but I booked only that 800 points because of little bit because I didn't expected that for the extended, so immediately I need to book the 800 points. I think not 800, it's a 600 points I booked. So okay, so let's go on to that New Zealand dollar. So here also it's a B and C, so that is why I have marked it as a W. So X, A, B, C. So this is the bigger W. So the whole thing is in the bigger picture. It's a B and C. So that is why we have marked it as a W here. So and then again it's a X, and here it's a Y in the diagonal, and here is one more X for the continuation pattern, and then Z is a diagonal formation. So this is all completed. So now here there is no more room. Maybe one more ABC to the higher side is also possible, what I said in the previous for the Australian dollar. So here in that, after that WX, we can name it as a ABC also. So here it's a diagonal triangle. So ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC as a 3, and after that it's a 4th and 5th, the same confusion what I said. So whether B, this is a 1, this is a A, B, C means C contains of 5 ways, but here only the 3 ways. So it may happen one more, it's looking like an expanding diagonal also in the final way of C. It may also, or if it does like this, it's also valid. The same thing what I explained in that Australian dollar also. So in that case, this is the A here, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we already did, and one more 5th wave, maybe a spike, or it could be like this, and then again it may drop. Or if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a, because a lot of people can ask, because wave 1 and wave 4 is here it's a meeting, so that is also valid because it's a final. It could be an expanding diagonal also, leading diagonal of A1. So you just go through for that leading diagonals and ending diagonals I have posted in the second video, part 2. So here is the ABC, so ABC is the B and C. So if it is A, B and C, so one more 1, 2, 3. So C contains of 5 ways. So this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, and we are in the 4th. One more wave to the upper side is also possible. I'm not saying no. Or if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, so this is the B, and here it's a scene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 5-way structure. But I will show you in that 15 minutes one. It's a little confusion also there, because this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got over. So what will be this? So 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5. So this becomes a what? 1, 2, 3. So this is not that counting, it's not here. That is why a little bit doubt for me. So if we just not to place the ABC, we need to go deep what it is done. So here 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5, and here it's not a 3-way. See, everything, it's not a 5-way structure here. It's a 3-way structure. We no need to force the chart. We need to observe what it is in there. So whether this whole thing becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means it's already got completed. But one thing is, the A is very bigger, B and C is a little bit small. So that is my view. Whether it's already 61.8, so that is also valid. So let's see how it goes. So maybe one more wave to the upper side and then again fall. So that is my bias. Let's move on to USD Cad. So this stream may be a little bit long also because I have explained. So USD Cad, the same thing. Here is the ABCA, ABCB, and C. This is a flat correction. WX, ABC, YX, and here is the one tricky, and I have already posted that also. So only the same, everything, the diagonal pattern, if it comes, only if it is goes there, we can complete. Otherwise, it will graining to the downside or upper side. If it is in diagonal triangle, it is happen, right? So in previous, what I did is, this is the A, this is the B. So 1, 2, 3, so 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is got completed. I think it's like that I had said. So what is the problem means, this is the fourth wave. Maybe lot of time it's a crucial. It can come like this, and then again it may drop. So this could be a fourth wave also. So it did that same thing. Here it's a one confusion. Yeah, because I'll show you here. See, it's a B, and C, and it didn't break the low yet, right? So after that, see, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the 5-way structure. After that, one spike is a impulsive wave. So this could be a 4 also, and here it's a clearly seen the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it's not yet broken the low till. So whether this, if it is a possible, means this is the end of the trend. Here the whole thing is the end of the trend. But see, we don't want to stick to our count. We need to always looking for that opponent to our count. So what is the opponent side? One mind is saying it's already counted, right? That is alternative view. We need to watch that. So if it is, what is the alternative view means, first count is, it is a bullish, so it has to go back to the uh, opposite for this trend. But what is my contra view is, there is a one more way to the lows is also possible. Means so what is that possible? So how I did as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as A, B, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 is already ended, means there is a diagonal triangle pattern. So yeah, what I said is just a simple A, B, and C. But if it is like Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar, if it is a diagonal triangle pattern, so each wave got an ABC is a 1, and third wave is going to be extended also sometimes. So in that case, if it is a diagonal triangle pattern, each wave got ABC, means A, B, C is a 1, ABC as a 2. Here A, so this becomes a B, C ended means 3, and here whether it is that fourth wave means, here it's a little bit tough to explain here. So A, B, and we need 5 waves. So far 1, and this is not looking like a bit, because this is an impulsive way. I'm not took it as a 3-way structure. So there is a one confusion taking place if we place this as a diagonal triangle pattern. Or else what will be the next means option? If it is get the third way is got extended, it can reach up to, and I already posted that it can reach up to 1.4 1.2480 also. So in that case, what will be the next means? If it's a B, and C is ended in the diagonal pattern, ABC is a 4, so this will be the fourth means this is the A, so we are in the B wave, and like this kind of C wave has to happen one more side to the downside. So in either way, it's all little bit doubt only. Whether it is one more way to the downside, it's already reversed, but that candlestick pattern is also not looking that much promisable like UCAD, sorry, DXY. So whether from here it has to reverse or one more low and then again it can bounce, or the whole thing becomes A and B can come to like this and then again one more C wave to the downside, that is also a possible. So anyway, but I'm looking yeah, reversal from in this zone or a little bit here to that 1.2480. In that zone we have watched that, but the wedge formations happen here. So it will happen only in the final stage, or it could be a leading diagonal, means it can be in starting, but this is the ending. And I have already posted that, I will show you that. Here is that. See, if it is the fourth wave, one more wave to the downside is possible up to 1.2480. I have written that. So anything is possible. So this is my view in that UCAD. So just we will look for the weekly candle. See, weekly candle is also looking like a doji, but lot of, see here, doji candle, bullish hammer, and again it's a downward hammer. So lots happening here, but that is why I said, right, it's maybe from here it can reverse or one more low to the downside and then again it can reverse also. But simply it's looking like see, it's A B C, again A B C here. See, so this is a connecting wave A B C. It's looking like very easy, but if we get a zoom in to the daily and 4 hour, you may get confused. So that is why I always stick to that bigger time frames. So let's move on to USD Jpy. So as I said, the USD Jpy have a lot of options, as I said in that previous video. So this is a WX. WX is a triangle, and then we need to trade for the Y. Perfectly it did, and then again it bounced. So here also, so 1, ABC is a 1, so ABC is a 2. So here it's a A, ABC is a B, and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a third, and after that ABC is a fourth here, and again A, B, and C is a 5, or it could be a W, X, Y, Z. It's already completed. So from here onwards it has to bounce. It's perfectly 1, 2, 3, and here is the fourth, and A, B, and C. It's already did, because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here it's already, I will show you that. See, I need to show you everything perfectly. It's not looking like, okay, it's okay. It's not like that. If I'm doing and I'm explaining, means in my analysis, I need to be perfect. 2. So here's a B, C. So it's a W because it's got extended. So W, this is the X, this is the A is completed here, and B is completed 1 second, yeah. So ABC, okay, we can make it as a C. C needs a 5-way structure, so this could be a, so this could be a W also, right? This could be a W, or so A B C, yeah, this could be a W, and this could be a B C, yeah. So A, B, it's a irregular flat, and then again C. So this is the third wave. Third wave got ended. So here A, B, and C. Once again, whether it is a 89, 89. Yeah, it's already broken. So this is the fourth wave. So after that, this is the A wave, this is the B wave. See here, it is impulsive, and after that it's a running flat. B and C is completed. So the fifth wave is also completed here. So each wave got that ABC, and if the and again if we clone this, we will get a perfect, right? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Simple. A, B, C, and fifth wave got completed. So in this Y wave, it's a diagonal triangle pattern, and simply 1, sorry, yeah, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is what I call it as a 5-wave corrective structure. So instead of ABC, the each wave got ABC 1, 2, 3, and sometimes the third wave can get extended also. So from here it has to bounce, otherwise if it is one more 3-way structure, possible, because this is the Y and one more 3-way structure. That is why I have already explained in the last video also. It is also possible. So look on the daily, it's a very bullish, but here don't stick on this. Here it's also very big candle, right? From 103.9 and nearly it's a 250 pips in one day, and again it's already broken the low. So that is why this is, I said this is a C wave, and immediately it came back. So here we are in very good knowledge, and we know. So W, here it's a X is finished, and this is the Y. After that, surely we need like this kind of 3-way structure. That is possible. After then only we come to know whether the Z way is also to the downside is also possible or not. So this weekly candle is also bullish, and it already inside candle, the two previous candles, it's already engulfed that. So it's very bullish. Here also did the same thing. So I'm not going to look all those things. Just stick to your wave counts in the right way. It's not doing that blindly, not the wave count. It has to be there inside. So we move on to USD Chef. So USD Chef also, it's A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here also perfectly completed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth way is also got the 5-way structure inside. So for me it looks like, see, sometimes that fifth way got like this. Each wave here, ABC is the third. Here also it's extended. The third way W, X, ABC, and this is a perfect example for that lot of people will took this as an impulsive wave, and this is a triangle, and one more wave upper side is also possible. Like that they will look and they will took the trade. But what happens here? So the pattern is also need to valid. So only if it is a triangle, we need to break that here. Then only we need to took the positions. We assume ourselves it has to go like that. So we need to enter in the perfect bottom. It failed, right? So at least we need to place a stop loss here. If you are an aggressive trader, if you placed here, if you took the trade, you need to place a stop loss here, or at least here. Then otherwise, see, you may lose. So this is the fourth. ABC is the fourth is completed. ABC, each wave got a diagonal triangle. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X is a triangle, ABC is a third. So this whole thing is a third wave. ABC is a fourth. Here also A and B is in a running flat, and C is completed in that 5-way structure. So now I'm looking only for that bullish. I don't have an alternative view here. If it is coming to that one more downside, it's not possible for me, because its third way is also already got completed. In that case, if it is the fourth way is there, it's already did all the things. So I no need to again and again. There is a one more low is also possible, means it's not, definitely it's not there. But there is no options for me. That is the thing. I need to bias on this. So what else? What in this? UJ, UCHF. Okay, let's move on to AJ. This also perfectly did what I said, right? What we analyzed. See, from here what I said, this is a ABC is a ABC is a B, and C, it won't give any pullback. It will keep grinding to the upper side with a WXY formation. It did the same. See, I have already posted that also. AUD Jpy buy. 1 second. Nifty, Bitcoin, EJENAJ. Yes. See, on December 31st, I said A is completed, B in the 3-way structure, and again C making of a Y, and if it is possible, again X, Z, and or it could be continued to the downside is also possible. So it's just click that. It's already reached there. So we will show that. I will show here in the live chart. See, A is completed. I said, see, a lot of people are confusing whether, see, I just draw as per my technical knowledge. So I thought it may reach this point, and then again it has to reach within this, has to reach that. But what the market did, the 3-way structure is already did here. And what I said is the 3-way structure. See, these all drawings are just on assuming that I just did the drawing, but not an this is all approximate. The ABC means it can be anything. It can be simple or it could be a complex. That you have to watch the inside, what it is there, what it is doing. See, in the 1 hour chart, it's perfectly right. ABC and B is a triangle. C is fall. And again, what it happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth way is also got a 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, what else you need? This kind of perfect trading, right? Because I said, right, I have already a lot of open position in dollars, so I no need to trade this all currencies, because I said in the previous also I traded here a lot of trades, right? In this zone I have traded a lot of expecting this kind of wave, it has to come reach and then again it has to go back. And after that I realized that I know it is doing something apart from my analysis. Then I all reconstructed this. See, this is a B C. We can make it as a B 1 2 3 4 5, but here see, here it's A B C 1 2 3 4 5. In this I need to do it as a W. This is X. So here is A. So this is a B. C completed. After that, is there one more W? This is the X, and this is the, so here is W, X, A, B, C, and this is the Y. It's W, and this is the X. One second. Yes, A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, C. So this is a W, and this is the X, and here is a Y wave. W, X, A, B, C is a Y, and this is the X, and this is the Z wave. So in this, whether it is doing the Z wave, so as of now it's completed only the Y wave. So if it is again one more three-way structure is also possible for the three wave, for the X, and then again this wave. See, just we finished only this portion. So here we need a one more three-way structure, and then again it can go back for that Z way to complete it. Once again, it's a little bit disturbance. Yeah, we will continue. So one more three-way down and one more way is also possible. So here is the completion of that Z wave here. So simply is a B C, A B C, A B C. So totally the whole structure is going to complete, and I said in that 80.9 approximate zone. This is a WXY formation in three-way pattern, and it is going to end if it reached that 80.9 approximate zone. It already did exactly the 80.926. So this is that power of Elliott waves, as well as the technical tools you need to use. See, this is simply that just a trend line only. It's already metered there. And here that wedge formation. So everything you need to correlate. It's not only the major is Elliott waves, and the tools we have to use like a tools. Don't make the tools as a major and Elliott wave is a minor. So Elliott wave is a major for me, and then we will look for that New Zealand. So CAD JPY we can finish. So that this is not the way what I'm expecting, right? And I have always said that it will do lot of things, and then there is no trade in this safe. See what I said, it's doing the same. So whether it's a W, so A is finished in the five-way structure. So this is the B, or this could be again whatever it is doing. See, that wave is doing the same thing. So whether if it is comes here, so that is the B wave. In that case, this X will be here, A, B, and again C. After that, again it may drop. It's the X. So these are all making a complex corrections. That is why I have drawn the box. Simply, if we look, it's nothing. But this five-way structure, we need to note. One more way to the downside. After that, it has to be a little bit, this kind of wave has to form here. So that could be the end of the correction also, because this connecting wave, if this is a connecting wave, see, I have expected the more complex, but it could be simple also. If it is a simple, this is the A, so the whole thing, it's making a B, and one more C wave to the high is also possible. So now I'm expecting it. It don't want to break this high. Let's see how it's making. So this is the A, B, C, B, and I expected a C wave, but it is not looking like the C wave. It's making a three-way structures only. So something it is happening, and I won't trade this pair, and I can't explain what will be the next. So if it is comes here, then with the strict stop loss of this, you can buy here for the target above this, because once if it across this high, that is valid for that C wave. So this wavelength has to happen, has to form here. So nearly 86.60. You need to exit. So then what will be there? A. So the whole thing becomes a here is a B and a C. After that, whether it is the X wave is completed here, we need to be in that only the downside. Otherwise, if it is a X wave is like this kind of X wave, it's a very bigger correction, then we may see a bigger corrections like this. So if it is a X is completed here, only is a very minimum target, but the X is in a very bigger complex correction. Like if it comes here, we will be exactly from here to here. Again 84 is our target. So let's move on to New Zealand Cad. So New Zealand Cad, I have explained that, right? Same plan, no change. It's already broken that high. So from here it has to come down. I said no issues. From here it has to come down. So anyway, I'm looking only for this kind of movement for the irregular flat pattern. B, it no need to touch here. It can be from here also. It can go high also. Or else, if it is aggressively coming downside means, so it's already in that 414. It's something else. We need to be alert, but don't need to buy until we don't have any idea, because this is a sharp fall. So this is the intermediate wave A. So this is the B, and we need a C wave. So let's move on to the 4-hour chart. See, this is not looking like a impulsive. Like this I need, and it's already broken the low. So it's a very that is why I have that cross currency pairs trading is very difficult. See, this is, and I have explained that also. See, this is looks like impulsive, but I don't know. This is make it D, and this is can be E, and then again it has to be a triangle. Otherwise, if it is a X, so what else? So let's see, because this is my plan. It has to reach at least this length has to form here, and again it can shoot, but you can place a stop loss here. But sometimes it could be expanded flat also. It can be break this, and again it can go back. For example, I will show you one. I will show you one Indian stock that has did that same thing. Second, I think SH. Yes. See, this is a perfect analysis for that triangle, right? It's a B, C, D, and E. See, in previous 3 months only, I'm just watching this, but I'm not watching this thing. One of my friend has shared me. After that, this is it's looking very good, and A, B, 1, 2, 3 is finished. Up to here, I just go to watch this, and what I thought here, it's already broken high. So I did what I did here is, it could be a running flat, and I bought here at 1018. So the low is 1018, I bought at 1030. Here after this green candle I bought, but what I bought is the high, right? From here I thought it has to go to reach my target, but stop loss I placed here, and I have already set to my community also. Stop loss is approximate 980 and not that safe. If it is an expanded flat, it may hit. It already did that same thing. So and it already, but I'm not in the trade because I've used this because I'm not so sure about these things. Sometimes it may hit here also, it can be ended here also. So I'm not so sure, and the trading that fifth way is very very crucial. We don't know whether the fourth way is already completed or it is going to happen. How we explain in the DXY, UCAD, lot of things, right? So whether that to catching the fifth way is very difficult for me. I am looking well. I am very happy to trade that irregular flat patterns. I'm very too good in that, in the correction part, but not in that fifth wave. See what happened? Nearly from here, it's hit my stop loss of 980. This low I have placed, and it went to 915, nearly that 65 points. After that, if even I know whether the target is 1150, if it is comes here, I will exit my position. But what it give? Nearly 900 to 1300, 400 points. So like that, we expecting the running flat here. If we entered placing the stop loss, it will hit your stop and then again it may go up. So whether how we have to trade that in that piece means what we have to do is whether if it bounced, so it could be a wave one like this, and then again it will be a pullback, and again if it crossed this, immediately place the stop loss here, took the trade. That is a safe, very minimum stop loss. If you get the reward, you can get a beautiful reward. So I will like to trade like this kind of only, but if I have watching only one pair at that time, if I'm watching a lot of pairs, I won't trade like this. So what else is next is Euro New Zealand. That is a beautiful trade, I think. And there is a one more way to the downside is also possible, but it's nearing. The bottom is nearing. So here, so I have explained and I have already posted that, so I no need to took all those things. Simply I will tell you, so whether that this 5 waves is a fresh A wave and we are in the B wave, and again one more C wave is ahead of this length, nearly 900 to 1000 points is there, or if this is a W, A, B, C, so this is the end of the X, also this is the end of the Y. So in any condition, whether if it is a Y wave or if it is a B wave, we need a one more wave to the upper side for the 1000 points. That is damn guarantee. So I'm only looking for that. Keep on watching, and I will just already posted that, and I have a zoom in that fifth way also. So in that fifth way, I didn't explain about this wave is one more possible wave. I didn't explain in the market commentary, but in the zoom in, I have already shared in that commentary comment box. There is a lot of possibilities to make a one more way to the low, and then again it can go back for the 1000 pips, because this is a diagonal. So here is the A. In past, what I did is it's already broken the low by the 1 or 2 pips. So whether it's a B, C means the fifth way has to end. It's already ended, and then again it can shoot for that bullish. But again it did means what I thought here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a A. So again we need to trade for that B. one more wave to the downside is also possible, and I have said to my community. But again it break the low, so that means it is confirmed me that it's it is a very beautiful confirmation for me. So here it's a A, here is a B. So C wave is a extended and it's a 5 way in the wedge formation. So 1, 2, and it's each way has got a 5 ways. It's a beautiful of the Elliott waves. I already posted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's already completed, and here is the one more ABC is a fourth, and here is a tricky because it's looking like a 5-way structure is got completed sometimes because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See 5. So this could be a 2. See here is the 3. Here is the 4 and here is the 5. It's looking like that in that 15 minutes also. But if what I'm trying to say is if the fourth way is still ahead, that is why I told you, right, we can't stick to our own analysis. Fourth way can be, see here it is did only 1.27 within that. So fourth way can be like this because it's already did a 5-way structure here. It's already did. So this could be end of the fourth, and the fifth can be like this. So it's already, it may be a fake breakout. Sure about that. This is a touch, 1 touch, 2 touch, and 3 touch. So maybe it could be a reversal also. I'm not saying no, but there is a one more way to the downside is also possible. So in that case, the fourth way is how that I'm trying to say that GBP USD in the bigger time frame. This is the corona drop and we are here. That see same structure it is in GBP USD in that bigger time frame. So this is the third. I'm looking for the fourth. One more way to the downside in GBP USD, the bigger time frame. I will show you that. It's not in the 15-minute, in the weekly chart. Here, that same structure, but in the bigger picture. So 3. So I'm looking for that. It's already broken the wedge also, right? So whether it is in running flat, the 4 what I had placed here, and again one more drop like that in Euro New Zealand may do. So whether it is in 1 hour or 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart, the pattern remains same. The confuse remains same. The fourth way will be the same. See, and if it is you are looking for the 1 hour chart, see it looks like 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this could be a 5-way structure. So this could be a fourth. A, B, C, one more 5-way, fifth way is also possible. That is why always we need to be in the bigger time frame. Don't convert your time frames to that to zoom in to catch that final wave, and we need to be enter in that perfect low. It's not like that. And one of my friends said, right, I never forget that. Need to catch the reversal, not the top or bottom. So it could be like this. What I said, this is the A. Here it is finished. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is the A. This could be a B, and C could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a zigzag. 5, 3, and 5. So here is the end of that B wave. So this is the A, this is the B, and looking for that C wave, right? See, in that C wave also, it's a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and wave 4 is a triangle. and fifth wave in the midnight, I saw that there's a breakout, and immediately it came down. So whether, what I'm trying to say is whether it could be end of the trend also, or there will be one more downside is also possible. But the confirmation is it has, if it reached that 6850 or 68, it's already did. If it comes to the 1.68 or 1.6780 like that, it has to be in the 1000 pips, sure. So at that time, if it is a very aggressive to the downside, the New Zealand dollar, I said right, one more down, one more way to the upper side is also possible. Like that, it may come downside, and then again it may, if the New Zealand dollar drops, Euro New Zealand can also shoot. So at that time, New Zealand dollar is getting weak. So this New Zealand has to be in Euro New Zealand could be a in very good buy, I think so. So whether it is in upper side or whether one more low is possible, that I don't know. Market has to decide. What I did is I did already. So I am in the trade. I have already bought at 1.6895 here itself, because it's doing like this kind of a triangle. I know whether it is has to shoot, and then whether it is a completion of the 5-way structure. So whether it is be a end of the fourth wave or it is the start of the new wave, because in the midnight I can't catch this and I won't place the order. So I entered in a small lot positions. If it comes as per my view up to that 1.6780 or 1.6800 like that in the early morning Monday, I will be in buy side another lot, the making a stop loss of 100 to 200 pips to the downside for the target of nearly to the 800 pips. So I explained very detailedly the Euro New Zealand. It could be, that is why I have previous sets itself. It's a very big stream. So let's move on to, it's already did all currency pairs. Yeah, one US30. We will move very fast. So here also same, I said expect, and what I said, it's already the same thing, right? If this could be the X wave, it's a B wave here in the drop, at that drop, and here is a one more 5 waves we already did. So ABC, see the last week I said from here it's already broke that. So this could be a fifth wave. This is a triangle and fifth wave is already there, and from here one more ABC is also there, and this channel will took the support. I said the invalidation is this, so this could be a 1 2, perfectly did the same thing. From here it bounced 5 ways. See, I'm not going to do all those things just only for analysis, because I know you know very well about that. I will do only that major currency pairs, and just only for the analysis is just added. So what it will do is one more high is possible here, and then again the 3-way structure. So because 1 2, so it's going to be a 3 4 5 like that kind of wedge formation, or it has to shoot, that we can't know. But only in the 3-way structure placing, now the invalidation is need to change here. So the invalidation point is, I will get ready and I will prepare the chart, and I will post that. I will share my view in the trading view as well as in my Telegram channel or Facebook's, LinkedIn, whatever. So I will post immediately, and tomorrow, I think within tomorrow I will be get ready and I will share all those things. So this 29,893 is the low. So make it that as an invalidation, and go for that. If it is in 3-way structure, if it is in 3-way structure, if it is comes aggressively, don't do anything. If it comes like this kind of, if it is do like this, don't do anything. If it is comes like this kind of 3-way structure, go for that, making a stop loss of this, and then for the target nearly the 32,000. And then once it uh, reached the high again, we need to keep the channel and we need to rearrange the channel. So this channel is no else, this is a, if it is a, what I said, this is the B wave, the C wave we need to rearrange the channel. So this is the 2. So we need to rearrange. Once this has the 3-way has completed, we need to rearrange like this. So again we need to travel like that. We need to trade. So Bitcoin, I think it's going to end at the 45,000 range. I think so. Where is that Bitfinex? Yes. See, in the previous, I thought this is the end of the third and this is the end of the fourth. Previous, what I'm talking about, that on Thursday, I keep on watching this in that 5 minutes and the 1 minute. It's a very beautiful trade. I will explain you. I just kept in the 5 minutes. Keep on watching this from here. From here, 38. Where? 1 second. Yes, here 36,100 I no low, and I have see this channel perfectly. I did 1 2, so 3 is touched, the 4 is also touched. But again what I did is, so once the 5-way structure is got completed, we could be in sell side. That will be a more risk reward. No need to buy here, because that the 5th way, what I said, right? That 5th way I won't trade. So because the trend is going to end, and immediately when it will end we can't know that. So I just keep on watching and counting that 5-way structure. Here I got 1 2, so again 3 4. So 5th is got ended and the channel is also doing here. So what I did is immediately I sell my profit, sorry, I sell my position, and I have placed that, because in Bitcoin immediately we can't do that. So what I did is I have already sell limit at 39,200 and it already triggered, and my stop loss is going to be 1,000 points, around 40,300. So at the time I keep on watching, immediately it is a flash, right? So I'm too happy, and after that it's doing like this, and immediately I come to know, okay, it is something else and it is going to be extended. So what I did, immediately I remove the stop, because see, we know it is a very that extended 1 2 3 4. Here also 1 2 3 4, and again it could be extended, means it will definitely hit my stop loss and I will be out of the trade, and immediately it will fell, right? It did that same thing. So how I count this means 1 2, so 3 here. In previous I took it this as a 4, and what I did here is, in previous I did like this. So that is why I have placed that 49,000, sorry, 39,200 here, and it hit little bit exhaustion and then came down. After that it's making here, it is not getting ready to here. Immediately I remove the stop loss, and again I rearrange the channel, because it is a 5th way, means this is the end of the, see, 1 2 3 4 5. Here I rearrange the channel. I just copied that, I placed here. So I come to know whether it is going to be at 40,300 to 14,500. It has to come down. Perfectly it reached, immediately the flash crash, and after that it hit that. I didn't cover my position, because I said I thought it could be a 3rd wave. So this is the end of the trend, and that is in midnight for me, and immediately it bounced nearly from here, see, 38,300 to nearly 13,500, and it's easily it is retracing 1,200 to 200 2,000 points, right? And after that it's not looking like a 5-way structure, and again it bounced. So whether it is coming to here, I closed my position at 38,600. Here itself I closed my position, it is coming here. So here it is looking like a bullish. So what I thought is, okay, something may happen because it's a Bitcoin. Traders are very aggressive, very fast, and I'm not so sure about this wave count. And immediately I exited at 38,800 because I'm expecting it could be do like this, and then again it may do like this also. So I exited my position and went to bed. So next day morning it's already retraced this much, 90%. So again I didn't watch anything, and then again it my one of my friend informed me it's already crossed that before high. Then I rearrange all those things, and then I got, this is the third way end. So sorry, this is the third way end, what I had did the third way end. So we are in the irregular flat formation. So the fourth way has to again need to come, yet to come. So whether this could be a triangle or whatever it can do, didn't know. It can do like this, and again it may do like this. Expecting here in this zone, and if it is a triangle it can break out. So my target is nearly to the 50,000 is possible, I think so, for the final wave. So whether if it is done that this kind of irregular flat, because this is a short three-way structure and again one more three-way structure, so it could be a triangle because Bitcoin is doing a lot of triangles. The character is that. So we have to watch here, and then only we have to take the trade with the stop loss of this. So nearly you have to place a stop loss of 36,500 or 36,400 to take a trade if it comes here as a 39. So nearly 2,500 points you need to place a stop. For that, from if it is 39,500, if you enter approximately, if it is a triangle, so if it cross here, you need to immediately bring that for the E wave for the target of 50,000. So nearly 10,000 and 3,000 is a risk reward, is a good risk reward. It's a 3,000 stop loss and 10,000. So 9,000, if it is 9,000 also, from here it's a 48,000. So nearly 9,000 points. So let's see. And finally we will move on to US oil. Not finally, it's a US oil, and then you are to gold and silver. See, it's all perfect analysis of Elliott waves, the beauty of Elliott waves. I'm not forcing. See, I will say one more thing. This is my previous analysis. I didn't post anything because I'm not so sure about this. After that, I keep on watching this movement. Only in the fifth wave it will get aggressive, not in the intermediate wave, right? Only the big wave, big wave, only it will, exhaustion will be there in my experiences. So what I thought is 1 2, here is a 1 2. So this, all those things, it's become a third wave. It's a diagonal triangle. Inside the third wave, fifth wave is a diagonal triangle. So this is the end of the fourth wave, and this could be end of the third, and A, B, C has to happen. So I'm waiting for this zone and again to shoot. But in the midnight, in the morning only, I saw this. I just immediately I got one idea. So what it means, because you can also, what I said, right, one more way to the downside, or it can be in the upper side also. So the third way can be end here, this fourth way can be here, fifth way is a diagonal triangle, sorry, here the third way, this is the fourth way. How means, see, this is the five-way structure 1, and this is the five-way structure of the C way. So 1 2 3, the whole thing is a fourth and fifth. So these are intermediate ways. What I'm talking about, this 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this got completed, the 3 here. So 4 5 is in a five-way structure in the wedge formation. Here also the wedge formation. So whether this could be your end of the third, bigger third, this could be end of the fourth. So fifth way is already in that, and that time, see, we need to be very awareness, because I'm nearly watching 150 pairs in Indian stocks, almost a 60, and in the Nasdaq stock almost it's a 30 to 40. And here in this pair it's nearly commodities the three, and the major and minor it comes to around 130 pairs I'm watching every day. See, these are all my watch list. So if no need to do this, so from this January, I I'm not going to watch this US stocks, right? So I'm not going to watch the US stocks. So it's nearly only the Indian stocks, so that is for our investment purposes. And from here, so that is why if you are doing only 2 or 3 pairs, it's so good you can make money. It's not. I will also decided that from this January I need to, because I am already having that lot of open positions. So I don't want to again and again to open the positions, new positions. So I need to be little bit within the 5 pairs I have decided. So once that all my positions get closed in the profit, I will do only 3 or 4 pairs minimum, maximum. That is why I have decided. One is gold and silver, oil. So the 3 pairs, and the currency is 3 pairs. That is the most sufficient for making more money. So every time we need to be awareness. Otherwise, you will miss. See, if we expect it like this, and if it is coming like this, and if you get into that for the fifth way, that is why I'm not trading the fifth way. Even though if it is that the third way, I can short, because fifth way won't go that much. Only one more way to the upper side is possible. But if you get for the trading for the third way end and the fifth way is always be confused for the Elliott wave traders. For me, I'm not talking about all the traders, for me. So here is a 1, 2. See, this is an expire the third way. So third way is ended here, fourth way and fifth way. So it is in the zone of 2618. So that is it's also valid. So whether it is already ended here or little bit one more way. So that we need to watch the intermediate waves. So 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E. What is this? Expanding triangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed here. For this one, this is the 2, this is the third. So anyway, see, no need to do all those things, right? So from here, it's nearly $2 you can place a stop loss, and you can be earn at least $5. So that is my view, and just in this morning only I got this view. So in morning, early morning Monday, I am going to short US oil, only a small position, because I am having a lot of open positions. Because in previous I did lot of things, right? You know very well about, if you are following from the past 1.5 years. So this is my view in oil. So one of my friend, I have asked this analysis. So I just said already. So it will help to him also. So perfectly, see, this is a channel, perfectly it is doing. Here is the wedge formation, it's broken. Here is a running flat for the fourth wave, and here is a 5-way structure. So this is no more one more wave for me, I think so. So it is not only 100%, and market has to decide, and it can do anything, and we will keep on changing the wave count. You just don't bias on my this thing, wave count. It's according to my capital, my risk, I will took the trade. So don't do your capital it in my confidence. Don't trade like that. So you need to trade with your confidence, not in the other confidence. So simply, this is the A, So B and C, it's not like that. It could be a W. Here is a A, this is a B, and this could be a C. So C is a little bit small. That is also acceptable. So let's see. And finally, the gold. And the gold, one second, I will show you that gold trade. See, this is a technical analysis. We need to be very, very awareness and be cautious like that. It's not a single, and there is no excuse because your capital will lose. See, as per my technical analysis in the previous, I did that same. It's a channel, and this is also a channel. So what I thought is, if it breaks this channel, it will reach you to this 2000 zone also, right? From here it can bounce and retest this. You mind this, it has to retest, not get into this portion. No need to come to this channel again. So if it is enter again this channel, taking this as a support, that is entirely different view. So what I thought is 1 2 3 4 5 as an, because in silver also did that same 5-way structure. So I thought this could be a 1 2 3 4 5, but I immediately from here itself, it entering, while entering here, I come to a conclusion, one more wave, that is different wave. See, look at this. This is another wave. So this is A, B, C is a W. What I said, right? A, B, C is a zigzag. We need to place a W. Three-way structure is X, A, B, and C. And we no need to look for that previous analysis. Like this. See, this is also valid. And this is also a valid. So what you will do? Right? And it's already came down here, very aggressive. So that is invalid. Now this is the valid, and I have already posted that also in the comment box. In that once immediately, because see, lot of followers are following me, and may are blaming or not, I'm not going to that. But once I got that idea, immediately I have to see, immediately I updated, and it's not yet broken the X. So very you need to be very careful while analyzing the pairs. Don't bias on anybody. So now what I'm trying to say is, it has to be around a 30% or 40% retestment, and then again it has to come down. And it no need to retest here. It can be retested here also. Sorry, here also. It could be anything. So my open positions, sorry, my open target is 1680 to 1650 to 1675 is my target. So now I rearrange the channel. Look at this. In previous, I drawn here this channel. I placed like this. Now after this entering in this channel, immediately I come to know, okay, we did the wrong. Sorry, I did the wrong here. This channel, just copy, just clone this and fixed here. That's it, and it's already broken. It's a fake breakout, right? And then immediately came down. So you need to be very, very alert. See, this is 1 2 3 4 5 is also a valid. It's as a leading diagonal. And while I coming to the silver, that is very, very good for me to set like that. See, Here it's a perfect three-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, and here also, here it didn't touch that wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, and 5th is already completed. And as I said, here it is still valid for this silver. Whether it is a WX, this is a W or A, because if it is a leading expanding diagonal, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this could be a B, and this is the C, means we need to place it as a B, and C is a 5-way structure. So this is a ABC is a W, X, ABC, this is a W, and this is the X. So whether if we place this as a W, X, this 5-way structure become a and then B, and then C. So here it's a very clear picture, because this is a 1A, B, and C is completed. If we place this as a WX, we need a one more way to the upper side is possible. And if you are cleanly washing in the daily, it's very simple, right? ABC A, ABC B, and C. So that is why I'm keep on saying, right? My count, it could be one more high is also possible, or from here it can come down also. Anything is possible. But my target is nearly that 18 to 19 has to touch. Here, 19. This is the major support zone. Previous it was resistant, and again it did the retested here in this zone. Look at this. So this zone is a very crucial again for the short term buy, and target is same, and then again it can bounce back. So I hope it's a very big session. It's nearly 1.5 hours and above. So thanks for watching this and sharing, liking, and commenting for everybody, and a happy new year. I said last week's vlog stream also. So have a profitable week ahead for everybody, and we will see in the next week analysis. So thanks for watching, and have a nice day.